Kung angry member ka sa Angry Birds, baka makatakod ka pa, makahawa ka pa sa iba, wag ka na lang mag-Angry Bird. I'm not saying na don't be angry or don't feel grief or whatever. These are valid emotions. By the way, ang tao, pag may pinagdadaan ng emotion, it's valid. That's their feeling. Do not gaslight it like, para ka namang bago ng bago, huwag ka na magalit. Hayaan mo siya. Anyway, hayaan mo siya mag-vent. Anyway, mahuma naman ang pag-vent niya unless mabalik-balik yung vent, chronic venting na, o palagi na siyang may anger problem. That's it. That you have to let him know. Or let the person know. But if, valid yung emotion, let it be. Let it go. Huwag mo kukontrahin. Feeling niya yun. But if it affects other people, if it affects your safety, if it affects the community, at wala lang ginawa tong taon to, kung hindi maging negavibe sa iba, whenever you're in a party, walang ginawa kundi pag-usapan yung buhay ng may buhay, nako, stay away. Ma-member ka talaga sa marites to na negative side.